today we are looking at the new Final Cut Pro update for 10.8.1. We'll be testing third-party plugins just to make sure that they all still work on this update. So go ahead and start out with Keeper. So Keeper is working just fine. Perfect. Let's go to MTracker 3D, track footage. Alright, let's switch it to tripod, track footage, and perfect, it worked. Copy track. Let's go to the text. Go ahead and just throw 3D. Alright, and it looks like MTracker is working just fine. Alright, cool. So yeah, there's no problem with MTracker 3D. Emeraldo AI. Let's go ahead and try it on the trees. Let's go ahead and use the brush to fill in the rest of this. Alright, tracker, move forward. Okay, so that's interesting. I wonder if it's working. Okay, so it is acting kind of weird. Usually it doesn't do that. Let's track it backwards. Don't understand why it's showing 4. Oh, MTracker 3D was still on. I wonder if that was part of it. Okay, so let me try this again real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to mask this line right here. Move forward. Okay, so now it's doing it normal. So I wonder if just the MTracker 3D was throwing it off, because it looks like now it's working just fine. See, track it backwards. Now let's go to masked video. Okay, cool. So Emeraldo AI works. So that's my test for some of the third-party plugins. It looks like it's all working just fine on the new update. If there's anything you'd like to see me test on the new update to see if it works before you update your Final Cut Pro, just let me know in the comment section below. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.